Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing KGKG, Ater, NICH, IGEX, DUTV, PJET, and PHIO. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button, a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. So go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. These are day and swing trade short-term momentum penny stock alerts. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And since we release all of our profiles at the opening bell, text messaging is the fastest way to get our alerts. You can also click the red download ebook to get the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Overall, not a whole lot to talk about this week. It was a good week on the OTC, as you'll see in the names that we're talking about. We had some nice runners this week. We're starting to get a spark, getting these bigger runners. But really what needs to happen, I put this tweet out tonight, OTC traders need to come together. If we do, there will be plenty of 10x plays. And what I mean by that is just really coming together, focusing on the quality OTC names, the quality tickers that have real management teams, no dilution, no reverse splits, and you have CEOs that are trying to build companies, and deals are happening, mergers, acquisitions. These are the types of plays we need to focus on, and we could easily get many 10x runners. And we're going to be talking about some names here that we really like. We're also going to have some names in special reports sent to subscribers this week. So make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. First up is KGKG, big runner. This one up 148% this week. I talked about it last weekend for you guys in the weekend video. Forget Q1 and focus now on Q2. KGKG was one I talked about. If you would have got in on Monday, you'd be up 148% for the week. So congrats if you followed what I talked about, not financial advice, about KGKG last weekend. And this one still has just a $27 million market cap, and they just announced their first $1 million quarter. They are now selling Oola lemon sparkling lemonades in Walmart. National distribution, the revenue numbers are only going to keep increasing, and this chart is going to keep running. So we really like the nice breakout here in KGKG. If you caught the move, congratulations. Next up is Ater, up 100% this week. The shorts are simply getting squeezed, and we love to see what's happening in Ater. Big news beginning of the middle of the week. They were announced as one of the fastest growing companies in America by the Financial Times, and then they tweeted this evening. Today, the SEC declared effective our resale S1 registration statement for the equity financing from March 4th, 2022. The common stock, pre-funded warrants, and warrants are already included in Aterian's fully diluted share account and do not represent any incremental dilution. Will be interesting to see how much more upside this can get going next week on the news that there will be no more dilution. Next up is NICH. This one making a nice move this week. This one bottomed out after making a big run. As I've talked about, guys, you know, buy dips, sell rips. NICH was one that we've talked about. Pulled all the way back to 10 cents. It's a triple right here. And there's overall, there's a lot to like with NICH. In case in particular is that they are retiring approximately 80% of its outstanding shares. Someone that we follow here and we talked about in the OTC, must follows coming together is OG_Tigress. She's been all over NICH. 189 million of common shares are in the process of being returned and canceled, which reduces the company's outstanding common shares to 39.6 million from 229 million. NICH has reached an agreement with two shareholders that will result in the retirement around 80% of its shares. And BMW Investments, another must follow. He's been talking about this one as well. So there are good calls being made on the OTC. So, I mean, if you are complaining about that you're not making money in the OTC, the fact is you're just in the wrong place. Start doing your own due diligence. Start following some must follows that we've talked about. You know, this includes us here at Insider Financial, Moon Market _ SPAC Trader in Training, BMO Knows, Matt Riv 2, Laid Back, John R. Spano 1, Bill Stocks 1, Stock 9009, Chairman OTC, Jay Yates 5, and Brett Rosen 325. These are just some of the names that we follow, but these guys all have big followings, know what they're doing. If we all come together, we can make some big money on the OTC. Next up is IGEX. Good week here. Non-stop updates coming out of the company. IGEX, the mineral company. Shell status removal request submitted. They're just updating with OTC Markets, and the SEC. This is what you want to see. They're making big moves, to get the company current, and this is why the stock is rallying. So it's a four-bagger, since last month. Just been nonstop making nice moves here, and IGEX is one that we really like. Nonstop updates, more updates coming, and it's still just a double zero, trading at still under a penny. So definitely IGEX is one you need to get on your radar screen. Next up is DUTV. Been talking about this one, guys, non-stop. New highs to close out Friday. Just overall a lot to like here. They put out a press release, their planned company structure. New CEO Mark Gallows building public awareness of the foundation of the company. He is the owner of several companies that hold patents in both his name and the name of his company. The first company to be merged in will be Easy Energy Systems, Inc. This company has a number of disruptive patented modular technologies that have won numerous worldwide awards, including the Firestarter Award as one of the 12 most world-changing ideas on the planet. Tesla won this award the year before. Mark owns 96% of Easy Energy Systems, and he has invested over $16 million. Approximately $12 million of this was his direct personal cash investment. So he's taking a $12 million investment that he's put in and rolling this company into DUTV. This guy has big plans. He's a substantial guy. He said, it says here, Mark obtained this cash by founding, building, and operating another one of his companies, Easy Automation Inc., the largest provider of feed, fertilizer software, and automation in North America, and also building and operating a 4,500-acre farming operation with his father and brothers. It is agreed that since Mark controls 96% of Easy Energy Systems, that he will agree to both become CEO of DUTV and also exchange controlling interest in return for 100% ownership of Dakota Max. Dakota Max is the controlling shareholder of DUTV with 2.28 billion common shares. This will effectively give Mark majority control of 66% of DUTV. The rest is in the public shareholders. So again, you're getting this asset is for free, basically. He's providing it for his controlling ownership stake. So, this is the type of CEO that you want to bet on. And, guys, he has just 698 followers. What is wrong with you people on the OTC? Quit following the clowns. I'm not going to name names, but, if you follow my channel, you know the clowns I'm talking about, the CEOs that have diluted and destroyed their shareholder base. Quit following these clowns. Quit coming top, saying that you're part of this so-called army. It's all BS. Focus on the making money business. You following these clowns is not going to make you any money. It's all about P&L, your own P&L, not anyone else's. You're just becoming a bag holder and you're helping line their pockets, not yours. Come on, guys. Wake up, smell the roses, find new plays. And Mark Galliswick is a must follow. This is a rock star CEO. Start paying attention. And if you go into insiderfinancial.com and just type in any symbol in the magnifying glass, like in case in point here is DUTV, and you will see the full range of coverage. I've been talking about this one since March, guys. It's all right there for you, and it made new highs on Friday. So again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to steer you in the right direction as best I can. Next up is PJET. This one has just a $4.4 million market cap. They're getting ready. They confirmed EV pilot expansion with ALYI confirms EV pilot expansion with PJET into the e-bike market. There's just a lot of due diligence on Twitter. If you $ PJET, our girl OG_Tigress has been all over this one. Again, she is a must follow, along with Paul Sayo 403, another one that we follow. He's been talking about this one actively. So good community on PJET, still a 00. Guys, this one ran to 3 cents back in October. If we make new highs, it's almost a 10 bagger from here. So PJET is definitely one that we would put on the radar screen as a possible 10 bagger. Lastly, guys, is PHIO. Just an incredible move. We really like this price action on this NASDAQ. The stock put out a big PR, presents positive new data on PH894, demonstrating anti-tumor efficacy in model of PD-1 refractory disease at the AACR annual meeting. Stock opened at 88 cents, dipped 1 penny to 87 cents, and then went and blasted off from there, closing up 159% on the day. So we really like the price action. We like what's happening in pennies, small caps, OTC, and NASDAQ. We're going to be running screens all weekend. We're after we've seen this PHIO, we got something lined up for our subscribers on Monday on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com with your email and your text messaging, mobile number text messages is the fastest way to get our reports. We release a full detailed report right at the opening bell. This way you can do your due diligence and then make your own trading decision or consult your own financial advisor. With that being said, congrats to all who banked this week. If you didn't, make sure you go and sign up at, signup.insiderfinancial.com. This way you're not missing any of these hot plays. Like I said, Monday we're expecting some fireworks on the NASDAQ. So make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. Want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend and look forward to next week. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.